there may be times where we want to sum up a subset of our data based on certain criteria. The SUMIF function allows us to do this, very similar to how the COUNTIF function allows you to count the number of cells in a range meeting a certain criteria. The premise is the same, only now we are summing the cell values instead of counting the cells. In this example, we are looking to understand how the salaries for individuals with greater than 10 years of experience relate to the total payroll for the company. We see the total payroll for all 25 employees is just over $2 million through the use of the SUM function in cell E4. We can then use the SUMIF function to determine the total payroll for employees that have over 10 years of service. Let's start by selecting the target cell and begin typing in the SUMIF function. You will see there are 3 arguments. 2 arguments are required and 1 is optional, which is indicated by the square brackets around the wording. Let's select our data range that is to be evaluated, or in this case, the years of service. We can then enter the criteria we want to evaluate our data range against, which is greater than 10, bounded by quotation marks. Given we want to sum the salaries, we will use the optional argument and enter the sum range as the salaries for each employee. We need to use the optional argument here because we are evaluating a separate data range than the range we are looking to sum up. If we didn't enter the third argument in this case, the function would sum up all values in B2 through B26 that were greater than 10 by default. After we hit enter, you'll see that individuals who have more than 10 years of service account for 55% of all salaries on payroll, as indicated by the value in cell E12.